Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today on one of the sunniest days this year so far to show you our new Wildwood Heritage Glen. This is a 308 RL and this is an absolutely spectacular trailer. I know you're going to love it. Let's take a look inside. Follow me. And one thing I want to show you is that we have these new solid steps. These are all the rage, and the main reason is that your weight goes on the step, which is on the ground. It's not hanging off the trailer, so the trailer doesn't bounce and wobble when you're going in and out. It's really nice. Got that big grab handle there. And this trailer, I mean, it's all about the floor plan. This is a gorgeous design. Beautiful colors, beautiful appointments. Lots of room. So let's talk about it. We've got two big opposing slides. This one is a full-size slide. This one is a full-size slide with an island kitchen in the middle, huge television set, and a fireplace. And the fireplace is kind of funny. People go, I don't need an electric fireplace. But you can heat your trailer with this and save your propane, and you don't have to listen to your forced air furnace running. These are great. This thing has a whole home theater system with Bluetooth and the whole Marianne. It's got a glass topped oven with a glass front door so you can look through there and see it. And then back here, you've got this beautiful sitting area with windows all the way around. If you back up to a lake, you're going to see the lake. It's right out there. And it's got good ventilation all the way around too. This has the Thomas Paine chairs that are recliner settees, and you've got storage in the armrest and cup holders. It's just a real nice setup. And then of course you have a a booth dinette, pardon me, and that can fold down and make into a bed. We have the great big stainless sink right here. This is a little drying rack it comes with. And you have this is what I call the shut up faucet. You can just say shut up and then squirt them. Over here, you've got a fantastic pantry. One of the things that happens when you do a lot of slide outs and a lot of windows is you don't have a lot of storage. So it's really, really nice to see a nice big pantry in a rig like this. It makes all the difference in the world because you're probably going to stay here a little bit longer than just your average camping trip too. Take a look up here. We got a beautiful bathroom with a porcelain toilet and a big shower. And this is nice being not a bathtub because you don't have to step way up over to get in. I'm a pretty big guy and I've got a lot of room in here. It's got glass doors, has a skylight. One thing you'll notice about this trailer, it doesn't feel dark at all. Even up here in the bedroom, it feels really roomy. And that has a lot to do with the color choices. Now up here, we've got a bedroom slide. This is something that a lot of times people are looking at fifth wheels for. They want the big bed sliding out, and then they want the full wardrobe across. I kind of like the look of the barnwood that they've got in here. It's really pretty. And then this even has the ability to have a washer dryer put in, one of those type that is small and has the one tank that does both washing and drying will fit in here. And of course you've got hanging storage and shelving, and it's just a really great looking rig. Under here you've got a lot of storage, and then also they put in electrical connectors throughout this whole area in the bedroom so you can plug in your machines or your phone chargers, whatever you need to. If you look in here, you just got a beautiful living space. So now I want to take you around the outside and we'll take a look at that. Follow me. Now, one of the things that people say about a triple slide trailer is that when the awning comes out, the slide comes out and uses up a lot of your camping space. Well, they've thought of that on this model. We actually have two awnings, one for this side and then another one for your patio. So that side comes out and the awning doesn't just cover the top. You get more living space out here too. Got a massive front storage area here, goes across and then all the way around. And this big cord here means it's a 50 amp supply. That means I can have the two air conditioners and I can run bigger stuff. I don't have to worry about not having enough power to operate my trailer. This has a solar connector for a portable solar panel. This little switch here is for power stabilizer jacks. You just push the button and they set themselves down. It's very easy to use. Got the power tongue jack here. And of course in the front it's nice to have this enclosure here with the LED light strips. It lights up this whole area. This is a very attractive and aerodynamic front design. I want you to look at this because if you look underneath you'll see that this is a rack and pinion slide out. A lot of trailers have either cables or mechanical systems that are above the floor, but these are below the floor full-size slide outs, and these are very reliable, and they're something we've been using for literally decades in this industry. They're very, very solid state. Oop, that's closed. That's access up underneath that bedroom. Now here you can see your wastewater systems are well off the ground and they're in front of the axle, so you're not in likelihood of damaging them, because you'd have to back a trailer over something to get to hurting these things. It makes it a lot harder to damage them. Now, one thing that you see here in the back is you have a ladder. So a lot of rigs don't have ladders anymore, and I think a lot of times it's because they don't want you to be up on the roof there. This is a strong roof. You can go up there. That's one of the reasons it has a ladder, and it lets you get debris off your slide outs and lets you maintain and inspect your roof seals so you can take care of things up there. This trailer is totally fine with that. Over here, since we're going to have this awning out here, we've actually got a park cable connection and a 110, and this is a TV bracket, so I can have a TV outside in my where my lawn chairs are. We could go tailgating with this. It's a lot of fun. The last little detail I'll show you I think is really kind of cool. It's got this little anchor here. You can chain a bike up to here, make sure nobody runs off with it. You can also use it to leash up your dog. They're thinking of everything. Well, I hope you like this walkthrough on the Heritage Glen 308 RL. I love showing it to you, and I have a lot more to show you. So if you have any questions or you want to stop by and look at it in person, give me a call. My name's Matt.Elliott. My number's 541-954-8495. You have a great day.